Welcome to our tutorial YouTube channel, where we provide expert instructions and guidance on a variety of business intelligence and data visualization tools, including Power BI, SQL, JavaScript, Python, and MS Excel. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, our comprehensive video tutorials will help you take your skills to the next level and unlock the full potential of these powerful tools. With our clear, easy-to-follow instructions and hands-on demonstrations, you'll be able to master the latest techniques and best practices for data analysis and visualization. So, whether you're looking to boost your career or just want to improve your skills, subscribe to our channel and start learning today.